All right, this is our Wednesday, October 25th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East here with you. Let's start off with a couple of cameras across the region once again this morning. There's our Greensboro Tower camera, clear and chilly as we begin the day. Temperatures cooler than where we have been in a couple days. And we'll look at the Dowd YMCA camera there in uptown Charlotte, and same deal, clear. Pretty cool conditions out there. Let me show you some mountain temperatures this morning. A lot of 30s on the board up there in the mountains and the high country. A lot of mountain temperatures at or even slightly below freezing. And it might even be a little colder in the mountains coming up tonight into tomorrow morning. These were your highs yesterday afternoon around the region, only 59 in Boone. It got much warmer as you got out into the Piedmont and over toward the coast, specifically in the Triad, low 70s for a lot of locations. Greensboro, 71, 3 above the average of 68. Charlotte, region high temperatures, again, upper 50s for the mountains, but then you got down into the Piedmont, a lot of low and even a few mid-70s. Officially in Charlotte to the airport, 71, 1 above the average of 70. These are temperatures this morning, cool. And we have this next shot of cooler air working on in. That's pretty widespread through the Ohio Valley and the Tennessee Valley. Nothing brutally cold about it, but this is a shot of some cooler air that'll be with us for the next 48 hours. And if you were watching the World Series or watched the news stories about the World Series, you know about the warmth in the southwest part of the country. It's still well into the 70s there in the southwest, including Los Angeles at 77, almost 80 still in Bullhead City, Arizona, and Phoenix, Arizona. And that's midnight, middle of the night, rather, temperatures there, 2, 3 o'clock in the morning over that way. All right, so showers and thunderstorms persistent offshore and then arcing from there ahead of a cold front into parts of the northeast, so places like Rhode Island up toward Boston, New Hampshire, up into Maine, seeing some rain and a good bit of it early this morning. And then on the back side of that, some snow flurries and some snow showers in parts of the upper Midwest and the Great Lakes region, but very quiet over the southeastern United States. Now, the mountains could pick up a few showers, maybe even a few wet snowflakes today in the highest of elevations, but you get east of the mountains. I think at the Piedmont we're looking at a lot of sunshine today, and then a brief period of a partly cloudy sky tonight. Look at Boone, only 46 for the high today, 60s for a lot of the Piedmont, and lows tonight will be chilly. There's your sub-freezing mountain temperatures and temperatures in the Piedmont and a lot of the colder spots getting down toward at least the upper 30s. Tomorrow, sunshine. Plenty of it. Still a cool weather day for your Thursday. In fact, tomorrow maybe a little bit cooler than today. And then we get on out into Friday. Notice the southerly flow returning. Our Friday high temperatures milder due to that southerly flow. Now, over the weekend, here comes our next storm system. I think as we get into Saturday, a few showers become possible, mainly during the afternoon in the mountains and the Piedmont, and then as this low-pressure area gets involved, Saturday night into Sunday morning, some showers a possibility. Now, exactly how that low behaves and where it tracks will play a big part in how much rain the region sees this weekend. So that then segues nicely into our tropical update. This originates, that low pressure does, in the western parts of the Caribbean Sea. And let me just, for instance, show you the European model. Here we are. Saturday morning, that low pressure trying to organize off the Yucatan Peninsula, and then there it goes off the Carolina coast by Sunday afternoon. And so if that idea is correct, and a lot of the modeling is showing something similar to that, there might be a minimum in precipitation amounts over the Piedmont. More in the mountains and points west, more near the coast, and then the Piedmont kind of gets a minimum due to the rain with the low staying closer to the coast, and the rain with the incoming cold fronts being more intense as you head further to the west. So we'll see how all that plays out over the weekend. And it will be chilly behind that cold front, that storm system for Monday and Halloween, rather, on Tuesday. There's today's fall photo of the day up from the high country, looking good. The highest mountain elevations, 3,500 feet and above, way well past the peak of the season now in terms of foliage, but still a lot of nice color to enjoy in the lower mountain elevations. All right, that is it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.